Do not lock in a mortgage rate. At least not till you understand what goes into them and how you can dictate your own rate. First off, let's understand how mortgage rates work, because that could save you thousands of dollars. Mortgage rates are not set by the lender alone. There are several key factors that influence the rates you see. The biggest factor is the economy, especially the bond market. Mortgage rates are tied to the rates on government bonds, especially the 10-year Treasury bond. When the U.S. government borrows money by issuing bonds, investors buy them. Those rates affect your mortgage rate. If bond yields rise, mortgage rates tend to rise as well. If bond yields fall, mortgage rates tend to fall. So when the economy is doing well, this can push up mortgage rates. When the economy is uncertain, this can lead to lower bond yields, hence lower mortgage rates. Inflation is the enemy of mortgage rates, and recession are a rate's best friend. Now, realistically, these are things out of your control. However, some things are in your control. First off, your credit score. Basically, the lower your score, the more risk you're considered. Therefore, to take on that risk, the lender charges a slightly higher rate. I can't control, now you may be thinking, I can't control my credit score, or I can't change what's happened in the past that's still there on my credit. Well, reach out to me. Many of you would be surprised. There are all kinds of tricks and tips. I've helped people raise their credit score close to 100 points in 30 days. Lower your mortgage term. If you get a 15-year loan as opposed to a 30-year, your rate will be lower. Also, sometimes if you get a mortgage with a shorter fixed term, let's say the rate is only fixed for 5 years, then it can adjust. That can sometimes be a lower rate. Even loan amount and down payment, which you have some control over, can affect that interest rate. And finally, your closing costs can affect your interest rate. The lower the cost, the higher the rate. The higher the cost, the lower the rate. Similar to home insurance, a higher premium, lower deductible, lower premium, higher deductible. I recommend you start the process of contacting a lender like myself at least 6 months prior to when you'd like to get a mortgage. That way we can do any of those tips and tricks I was telling you about your credit score. Please like and subscribe. Dave Saylor, Mortgage Guy, 810-923-6449.